Recently, we just earned Bone Rewards in Shiba Swap, and let's talk about it right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm not giving up on Shiba Swap because I'm still earning Bone Rewards, and I'm probably thinking you are too as well. We just gotta earn Bone Rewards, and I've got 12.4 just by bearing my leash. I still have my leash in my account, even though leash is down in value, but I still believe in it. So if you look at this, I've got 12 bones right there, and unwolfable is 41. So 41 plus 12 is 53. Not bad at all. So we just got some of these rewards just recently. Now I've got 1 billion Shiba buried in my Shiba Swap, and recently I just got 6.78 bones just by burying my SHIB. But I'm also got 104 bones being unwolfed, which we'll go ahead and take care of in January. And January is coming up, so that's something that people are not thinking about, that January is just around the corner. Now if you look over to the right or to your left, based on how you're reading this, Ethereum, Rapid Ethereum, I'm getting a little bit Ethereum, but just by bearing my bone. I understand it's not as much, but it is something to work with as long as I continue to basically bury and stake. So if I go over to my actual bone, I have 5,102 being buried. So I'm getting some of those interests in there as well in terms of bone. 37 bone plus 278, that's over 300 bones that I have in my possession, will have in my possession in the future. So my buried bones is all set there in each 3 categories, plus I'm getting Ryoshi tokens as well just by burying my Shiba. So that's one of the benefits, several benefits of having Shiba Swap. And then of course there is bones being in my wolfing pairing. Now I haven't wolfed any of this out in the wild, but I'm getting ready to do this in probably in the next couple of days, especially this one right here. I have 202 bones that need to be wolfed out. So that's something I'll do. I'll bury those bones. I'll only get a percentage of that because you look at this, you only get a percentage of the bones being buried. So, and then also over here, I got 504. So 504 unwolfable bones there. So I have bones everywhere. We're collecting bones every single day. I know the price of bone is down, leash is down, and even Shiba's down right now. But I'm looking at long term with all of this. And if you see right here, you see NFTs is being involved in Shiba Swap. And so that's coming soon. And I can't wait to Shibarium. Whenever that comes out, if at the end of this year or next year, it's going to be really, really big. And it's going to help Shiba Swap as a whole. So I'm not giving up on Shiba Swap, SHIB, bone, or leash. I don't think you should either, because this is still early. Remember, Shiba just got announced on crypto.com, coinbase.com, and it's more to come with other listings as well. So I'm enjoying this. I'm going to continue burying my SHIB to get more rewards, more bone rewards, and it doesn't even matter how much it is. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I know you're probably thinking it's not that many bones, not much bone to get, but look at this. I do believe bone, leash, and SHIB will be increased in value in the future. And that bone that you've been burying for a while is going to be a nice gift for you, in my opinion, based off the research I gather. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Click on the link below. Get a eToro account or Coinbase account to get more SHIB that you can put inside your Shiba Swap portfolio. I'll see you on the next video.